welcome back. This is Leena. So today I'm going to do a get to know me kind of a video wherein I'll answer 10 of your questions, and you've asked me a lot of questions, but these are only 10 questions that I'm going to answer, and you'll get to know a little bit about me, my personal life. So let's start now. So the first question is, when's my birthday? My birthday is on 11th Jan, and I'm not going to tell you my age. That's not cool. So no, I'm not going to tell you my age. You guys want to know my qualifications? So I have done hotel management, and I was there in the hotel industry for about 2 to 3 years, and then I started this. And I worked with a couple of hotels too. So that's what I've done, like study-wise. And if I have siblings, okay, yes, I do have a younger sister, and she's 7 years younger to me, and she's very cool, very chilled out. I will make a video with her if you want, very soon. So let me know if you want that in the comment section below, and me and my sister will do a video definitely. And the next question, if I work out and what's my weight? Okay, yes, I work out. I was really fat earlier. I was like 65 kilos, and then I lost a lot of weight because I was dieting, and then I worked out a lot, and I am still working out. You should never stop working out. It's really good for your health, so please do it. So I am 48 kilos currently, so that's my weight. So my next question is, what's my height? Okay, I'm really short. My height is just 5'1", so that's my height. So my next question is, if I'm single. No guys, I recently got married about 2 months back, and my husband's name is Karan Vishwanath. He's from Bangalore, and I have just shifted to Bangalore. So if you want to see him, and if you want to see him do my makeup, let me know in the comment section below. We shall do that too. Okay, on to my next question. This is like a really common question. Okay, I will answer your question now. What's my hair color? So I've colored my hair about 2 to 3 times, and I've bleached my hair a lot. So the color might change. Basically, my color is by L'Oreal. It's called Golden Blonde and Light Golden Blonde. So this is my color, but the reason I've colored it 2-3 times, that's the reason it looks a little ashy and a little blonde. So my basic color is, that's what I use. It's called L'Oreal Light Golden Blonde. Okay, my next question is, what lenses do I use? So this is from Fresh Look. The color is called grey, and I do have numbers, so this is my number contact lenses. So my next question is, so have you done any beauty course? Okay guys, I have done image consulting, wherein they tell you about clothes, how to dress up, how to carry yourself, and how to help others dress up well. So this course also included a little bit of beauty, about makeup too. So I've done that. So that might include a little bit of makeup. So that's your answer. And where I work. So I have a hotel. It's my father's hotel which I run. It's in Untitled. It's called Hotel Solitaire. So that's what I do, except for YouTube videos. And where do I stay? Okay, so as I told you, I'm from Mumbai and I stay in Powai. That's all I could tell you all. So I think I've covered a lot of your questions, and you kind of got to know about me. And if you want to know anything more about me, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to see my personal life, my pictures, etc., follow me on Instagram. It's called Leena Official. And please like this video, guys, and I shall see you soon. Bye guys.
लड़के भी कमेंट करते हैं, मुझे तो ये समझ में नहीं है.
हाँ, I want to marry you and all. अब कर ही नहीं रहा है एक वीडियो यार, क्या फायदा?
जो करने हैं वो नहीं करेगा, फालतू की चीजें.
We had a beauty course in that, but I haven't. इतना क्यों डर गए यार? कहाँ थी मैं?
पेंड्रा में.
मैरिड तो ठीक है ना?
पेंड्रा में.
चुप कर.